Giniling pang Noche Buena. Yan ang second part ng Noche Buena series natin. Ordinary ulam, gagawin nating star ng handaan. Ang gandang tingnan, napakasarap, sobrang dali. Let's begin. 1 kilo ng potatoes, hiwain, pakukuluan natin yan. Lagyan nyo ng asin. Boil lang natin hanggang sa lumambot. While that's happening, hiwain na natin yung gulay. Garlic and onion panggisa. Pangsahog natin, carrots, i-dice nyo into small pieces. Ganon din yung bell pepper. Pag malambot na yung potatoes, remove and ilagay nyo sa isang malaking mangkok. Lagyan ng around 100 grams of butter. Season with salt and pepper and garlic powder. Tapos i-mash nyo na. Basta durugin nyo hanggang sa maging smooth na yung texture niya. Once done, set aside. Mag-isa na tayo ng garlic and onion until brown. Then ilagay na yung 1 kilo ng giniling. This is pork giniling ha. Season with salt and pepper. Pag luto na, ilagay mo na yung carrots and bell pepper. Then add 200 grams of tomato sauce, konting toyo for color, and oyster sauce pampasarap. Let it simmer, then pasarapin na natin. Onion and garlic powder, paprika, and konting curry powder. Konting sugar, that's optional. And finish it with 1 pork cube. Pag nagmantika na yan, you're done. Lagay mo na sa tray at ibabawan mo ng mashed potato na ginawa natin. Kalat mo lang using a spatula or your spoon. Pantayin mo yan. Top with cheese and mozzarella. Damihan mo yan. Masarap yan. Bake sa preheated oven, 450 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until mag-brown yung top and you are done. Napakasarap. Luto na ang star ng handaan.